my tipid tips for today, or my tips for today, is about recycling bags. How to recycle them and how to fold them nicely. So I will be teaching you how I folded them like this. Watch out for my video. Welcome back mga be at Mamawoobee's channel. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I will be giving you some tips on how to do the 4 R's, because I'm an advocate of the 4 R's, which is reuse, reduce, recycle, and repurpose. So we will be starting with this simple grocery bags that we get from the groceries, of course. And I will be teaching you how to fold them nicely so you can either reuse them, and of course that's the main purpose, reuse them. And I usually use them, these plastic bags, as garbage bags. That's how I fold it. I've learned this since I was maybe teenager. My mama taught me how to fold plastics like this, and until now I'm still doing it. Instead of having all your plastic crumpled, or your plastic bags crumpled, and just put all together in one place, this is the best option for you to fold your plastics. Ta-da! And I usually put them in a container and put them all together like that, so you can just get one whenever you need a plastic bag. That's all. Hope you learned something. That's my tip for today. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. So for future tips, you can hit subscribe and give it a like and share. And also you can hit the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I have new vlogs to upload. And thank you.